Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 mobile hotspot keeps turning off. First method is click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet. Click Mobile Hotspot, turn off power saving. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapters, right-click Wi-Fi Adapter, click Properties. Click Power Management tab, uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power, click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.